Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny cabin? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area here. After that we will go inside, so we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV on the front wall. And if we go inside, so we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have dining counter with 2 chairs and 3 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go on the left side, so we have 3 feet wide passage here, and on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the left side we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.